Hey Jeff, making this video real quick. My data's your numbers aren't matching up with mine, and I've been messing with this for a while and trying to figure out why, but I can't. So I'm just gonna make you a quick video and show you what I'm finding, and maybe you know where we're coming up with these differences. So, quick example: an equipment evaluator here. I've pulled up the 2013 D6T that has less than 10 data points. So you're doing the data trend line, which is great. That's what we want to do. So basically, what I've done to test your number is I've grabbed all of these dates, and these prices, brought them over to Excel. So I've got all the dates, all the prices and the years. Basically, I weeded out the rest of the data and just broke it down to prices and years. So it's giving me this chart when I chart it and graph it with the trend line, with this trend line. Your number that it's given us is 228,575. If I go here for 2013 and go to the 228,575 is right there. So that's a little bit low. Should be a little bit higher. That's a bad example. So that one is okay. That one's close. But now if I go back to here, I'll do a 2009, 2010, try some of those other data points. So if we're going to go 2009, you're giving us 199,402. So basically 200,000 for a 2009. 199,402, 200,000. That's well off from our graph. So 200,000 is right here. That means you're pricing it right here at this point, and that's looks like about 70,000 off from our trend line. Same thing if I go. Let's do a 2008. So 2008, same thing. It's given us a 192. So 192 again is way up here, kind of near the 200,000 number. So it kind of seems like your trend line is a little flat. I'm going to throw a 2017 in there. See, so same thing. 2017 is giving us a 257. So 257 is way down here. So just by playing with the numbers, it looks like your trend line somehow is pretty flat. I tried to figure it out. I couldn't figure out why your trend line ended up being flat. I went ahead and calculated the numbers based on the equation. So if you calculate the equation for the trend line, it gives it to you here is this equation up here. I think what you might be doing, now that I think of it, I think you're not running your significant figures out far enough. So, for example, just a minor change in these significant figures is going to bump your number. So here's what I do if I use this equation here that Excel is giving me, this 20,765.95438 blah 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 times 10 to the whatever, which is 41,584,395.459 blah 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 blah. You gotta, if you truncate those significant figures, it'll mess your line up big time. So that might be what you're doing here. You have to run those significant figures way out, because just what are we down to, the 100,000th shit to the millionths of a number here. Just taking one of those out will drastically change this. So when I do that, when I enter in that full equation here for like my 2013, I get 217,472. So for 2013, that's pretty darn close. 2007, I'm getting 92,800. If I go, that's probably right at the 92,000 number. 2008, 113. So these all seem to be correct using this equation, and I'm guessing you're getting to that by using that regressive that least squares regression code. And I'm guessing what you're doing is you're not running your significant figures out long enough on these decimal points. So take a look at that, play with it, and see if we can get closer numbers. But right now it looks like the line, the trend line that you're generating with that least squares equation is really flat. It's not reflecting the trend correctly. So anyways, take a look at this and shoot me a text back and let me know. Hopefully that fixes it. All right, good luck. Thanks.